Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable cycle tabs in most recently used order in Opera browser. How to disable cycle tabs in most recently used order in Opera browser. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Next, tap to disable cycle tabs in most recently used order. This feature is used to disable tab switching based on the last order of use in Opera, so that the tabs move according to the order of their appearance. So that's it, the tutorial on how to disable cycle tabs in most recently used order in Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.